Welcome to part 2 of the two-way D2 Pro dual dash cam, the installation video. And if you didn't understand that, that's what you're looking for. So, I've done all the donkey work and I've planned it all, and if you have an ipace, this is the way I would recommend you install it. No, I won't recommend actually. This is how I installed it, but I will show you how I got into things. So, let's go to the car. So my first real problem is, ideally I would like to put it there, thinking that's where it should go, right? But unfortunately, this piece of trim is fixed. It doesn't come off, so it must be something to do with the glass bonding and water tightness. But if I come back a bit, hang on, there we go. This tray here, where your handles are, this comes off, and there's 4 screws. Oh, let's see if I can get them. There's one in the handle, one in the other handle. Turn this wee knob up, drop this, and then there and there. Now, I'll see if I can balance this up here. Oh, I'm going to cut this out. Right, so now that that's done, right, you can kind of see I've got the wire hanging here. What I'd done was, I took this tray off and I measured it, because if I put it to the top of the window, and then just say I would just stick it to the plastic, the biggest problem I was getting with this glass and its angle was back reflection. So I put it now to the bottom of the window, and with this getting in here, this problem is this bit here that you're seeing. This is the joiny bit where it joins in. Trying to get that hiding was a nightmare. Well, that now is no longer a problem. This is now going to go into here, and what I'll go and do is I'll go and pop this off again, and I'll let you see the studs. Okay, that's it off. So as you can see, they pop into the likes of, actually if I put that down there, you might get a better look. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, no, they're the screws, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 10, there is 10. Anyway, if you look this way, okay, you'll see you've got 4 along the top, 4 along the bottom. These here are screws, and then you've got these 2 ones at the end here. Just be careful when you take them off, they are only plastic. Alright, if you do break a popper, now when I took mine off, 2 of my poppers were actually stuck in, and I've just peeled them out. Okay, I took them out carefully. I'm taking my time doing this, so it's all going fine. So, there you go. Here's the camera. You might think this looks stupid because it's sitting there, but for the bottom line, 1, 2, 3, I've counted 4 up on the lines, okay? So 1, 2, 3, the top of the 4th line, that is where the top of the camera, oh hang on, go that way, that bit there is sticking to. Okay, so now I'm going to wait to bring the wire down like so, run it around, and then from here, I'm not sure, this is the bit I've got to try and work out how I get it down to here. I could actually bring it out into this bit here, but the problem is if I pierce a hole into that. So now you'll see this bit here, okay, that's where the string is for lifting the tailgate up. So there is a possibility that I might actually just, well, I might just try and twirl it around it. You got to mind, if you do something like this, that it's got, if you want to take the parcel shelf out, you cannot attach this wire to it, because that's got to be freestanding. But you can wrap it around the wee string bit from your parcel shelf when you put the parcel shelf back in again. I'll let you see what I mean on that as well when I do that. So I'm now going to go and fiddle this bit, and then I can get the boot lid closed and let you see what it looks like. Now this is just to let you know that in case you're worrying about running this through the trim, okay? Right, I'm just pulling that off. Right, it's giving me access to into here, and look at this. So there's your camera on the back window. There's your, I've got the wee bit of wire there still to tidy up, and there you go, it runs right through that joint on the roof line, up here, through there, and look, you can see where it's coming out on the other side. This is just one of these jobs. Take your time and don't panic. That's it done. It's safe to say that the front camera was easier to install than the back camera. Now, from my view in the seat here, if I duck down I can actually see the screen, because that's one of the big problems with the iPace. When you're looking at the mirror here, this whole black area, and looking at it from the outside, is absolutely massive, and it restricts a lot of your view. So as you can see, that's basically, that's line of sight for me there. So as you can just see there, there's the camera, and there it is there. That's the only bits of wires I've got shown. I popped this off here, run the wires up the back. They've went through the roof lining. One has went that way, all the way back to the back camera. The other one come down here. You clip the side off the cubby hole, run the wire through the back, and then bring up here. And I've still got this to finish, because there's where the power socket is. So I'm going to see about drilling a hole right underneath here. Actually, you can take this box out, right? So I'm going to see about drilling a hole in the cubby box here. So if I can come up underneath the console, because it's just like, it's plasticky, papery stuff. It'll be hard to cut a hole into that. And then I'll be able to run. I'll just do that says. Now the beauty with that sitting there is I've got an extra USB port if I want to charge. Not that I will, but it's there anyway. Oh. And I can, they must go into there someplace. There it is, done. There you go. So as you can see, it's not too bad a finish. But that's it working. Now, if you see in the screen there, the top left hand corner, it's actually showing the back camera. Now if I touch that button, I get the view of front camera only. Touch it again, back camera only. Touch it again, front camera with the wee 3/4 thing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. The camera quality, I could only imagine it's going to be better because I've taken the stickers off. If you want to see a video of what the camera quality it's actually like, I'll do a daytime and a night time. So if you would like to see that, please put a wee comment below into the comment section, and I'll do that. I didn't get many. I get 20 to 30 views on a video, so, and nobody asks for the comments, and nobody does. So unless I get comments, I'm not going to bother doing a footage on it. But tell you what, I hope this has helped somebody with an iPace. At least it took me a while to find something worthy of putting into this car. So I hope this will help at least just even one person. So please do us a favour as well, smash that like button. Not to say you like the video, it's to help get this film out to the YouTube algorithm. See if I can start maybe getting a bit of more views. That's the only bit I would like to ask for you as a favour. Till the next time though, I'll see you.